Hello friends, welcome to Jainam Software. Hope you are doing great. In this video, we are going to see how we can search the loan and how we can see the detail of party ledger in detail. So just have a look. So for example, let's say to the status report all party list, just refresh. So here let's say loan number 2. So from the search bar, I will search loan number 2 and this all the details will come in the loan number 2 if you search. So if I go to the party ledger, here you can see that how much payment the customer given, means the merchant paid to the borrower, that is loan number 2, and 10,000 is paid to him. After that, document charges also applied for 100. And interest accrued means this interest is accrued till the date of 24 August, that is 100. So in detail you can see everything, that how much received and how much is due. You can select the date like a back date also, and just you can calculate the late fee as well. So if I select the, let's say, back date and just calculate the late fee. So there is no late fee for back date for, let's say, today. So here you can see calculated late fee 1. That is, if you see this yellow box, late fee provision. So calculated late fee is according to the outstanding amount of 933.61, and so it is a roundup of 1. So here you can see the all the details in detail. You can take the printout also from here. Just click here and you can save as a PDF as well. Then you can download this report to Excel as well. So thank you friends for watching this video, and don't forget to like our channel from YouTube. Have a great